Welcome to AI Cross HK OpenCup 2025. This year's bootcamp focuses on AI and robotics for sustainability.
Entering its fourth edition, AI Cross HK OpenCup continues to be an innovative platform supporting the growth of young talents in Hong Kong.
Today's session is about reinforcement learning. They can train their own model and then they will compete against each other.
Our lecture consists of very basic algorithms of robotics development. I hope more Hong Kong students can learn more about robotics.
We wanted to improve on our skills for computer science.
我依家試下用嗰個 Q learning 嘅 method 去令到一架車咁樣，佢係點樣會最好最快咁樣可以有一個車咁樣上到去。
Yeah, it's a real challenge.
不停咁嘗試反覆去測試，篩選我哋要用嘅數據啦，因為有可能係得一次機會嘅。
In the afternoon section, there will be an AI Robotics for Sustainability sharing, an exciting AI Robotics football tournament, and award ceremony.
We are purpose to using AI robots
achieve the SDG and cope with social challenges.
Innovative technology can offer a solution.
Wow, their presentations are wonderful. I hear very creative idea, also very feasible to implement in Hong Kong.
Using the model trained this morning, let's witness this intensive game and thrilling go together.
Last 20 seconds, let's see whether the blue team.
We have seen so many bright ideas. Today, it is a testament that when we give the young talents the right tools, they can do fantastic things, and we look forward to their bright future.
It was also really satisfying to find out that we can use AI to improve people's daily life.
We strengthen our communication through the teamwork.
喺未來當中，有可能喺自己專業嘅領域可以運用翻今日我哋所學到嘅嘢。